Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to apply coupon on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then find whatever item or product that you want to order. Let it be this one, and then you want to press red button at the bottom, buy now, tap continue, and here this is checkout page. Here you want to scroll down, and now you see this section promo codes. Promo codes and coupons are exact same things, but names are just different. So tap here and basically enter in this field your code, and do not forget to press apply button to basically apply your coupon. So that's how we can apply coupon on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.